A simple hack to help you get watch time hours as fast as possible. One of the hardest things to get your channel monetized is watch time hours. It's easy to gain the subscribers potentially. That's what I've found from my experience, but the watch time hours, 4,000 watch time hours in 365 days can be quite challenging. I've been running a channel now, helping my pastor with his channel for over a year, about 14 months, and we've been pumping out a video one a week, which is not a lot, but one a week, long form video. And we've been putting out shorts as well, and our watch time hours are only about less than a quarter of what they need to be to get monetized. But yesterday we did a live stream and we got the most watch time that we've received in the whole 14 months since doing it. Over 31 plus hours in one day of watch time. Before this, the best day that we'd had was about 18 hours back in July when some of the videos were doing really well. So if you really want to get extra watch time, what I would suggest is live streaming. In fact, I think now, as I'm recording this, because I'm having this thought, I need to do this as a live stream on my channel. So I'm going to do this as a live stream, and I'm going to do this on my channel right now and see if I can get watch time for the live and watch time for people watching this afterwards. So yes, a quick way to get your 4,000 hours watch time I would recommend is to live stream. Because when you're live streaming, what happens is, say there's one person watching and they watch for an hour, that's 1 hour of watch time. But imagine 10 people watching, that's 10 hours of watch time in 1 hour. Imagine 100 people watching, 100 hours of watch time in just 1 hour. And that's just in the live experience. When people watch it back afterwards, you're of course going to get the watch time for that time that's being watched afterwards in the replay of the live. But also the thing that's amazing about the live is you have the chance to interact with people and to build a deeper connection with your audience. So what are you waiting for? Choose a topic that you can do live stream, that you can really just flow in the moment and share the information that you have. Maybe it's a tutorial, maybe it's a teaching about something, maybe it's an experience, maybe it's just an interaction between you and your audience which have similar interests. But the key to build up watch time as quick as possible, from what I've seen, I should be showing the graph on the screen, is to live stream and reach lots of people quickly. That way you multiply your effort. Not just getting the hours in the live stream, but getting the hours in the on demand afterwards. And then if it's a long live stream, what I did with my pastor, what we've done is that we made it so it's a long message and it has 5 or 6 different main points. So then that will be split up into about 5 or 6 different short 10-minute messages that will be on demand videos that will be on the channel, released each week with different topic headings. So that same amount of effort from just 1 hour of live streaming can be multiplied. And that's just on the YouTube channel, let alone taking it out to other social media platforms. So I hope that this has been really helpful to you. If it has, make sure to subscribe. My main channel is about helping you to create content using artificial intelligence tools and multiplying your effort to be able to reach as many people as possible to help them. Until I see you next time, here's another video that you might enjoy.